Yes, you can use glue with toothpicks to reinforce a stripped screw hole in a door, and when done correctly, it can restore substantial holding strength for many applications. Start by cleaning the damaged hole of loose fibers and any old glue or paint so the new material bonds to solid wood. For a quick and effective fix, insert several toothpicks coated in wood glue into the hole until it is tightly packed, then snap or cut them flush with the surface and allow the glue to fully cure, usually for at least 24 hours, before driving the screw back in. If the screw will bear heavy loads, consider using a wooden dowel size to the original hole and glue that in place for a stronger, more uniform core. Drill the hole out straight first to the dowel diameter, apply glue to both dowel and hole walls, tap the dowel home, let it cure, then re-drill a pilot hole for the screw. When driving the screw, use a pilot hole slightly smaller than the screw root diameter so the threads can bite without splitting the repaired wood. Hand start the screw or use a low torque setting on a drill. For doors that receive frequent stress like heavy exterior doors or those with deadbolts, pair the repaired hole with a longer screw that reaches a deeper framing member when possible, and use grade-appropriate screws for exterior or high-load situations. If the material is hollow or the wood is very degraded, switch to a plastic anchor or a commercial threaded insert kit for doors, which provide predictable clamping strength and are designed for repetitive removal and reinstallation. Common mistakes include packing the hole loosely, then expecting a strong hold. Solve that by tightly filling voids so the glue and wood combine into a solid mass. Another issue is not allowing adequate cure time, which can lead to pullout on first use. Wait the recommended cure period rather than testing immediately. A third frequent problem is using the same short screw that originally failed. Remedy that by installing a longer screw that reaches into deeper, undamaged wood, or by using a properly sized dowel or insert to restore thickness and allow a full depth pilot and screw engagement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share tips and real project experiences related to repairs like screw hole reinforcement. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase skills and participate in our community conversations.